The regulator manifold assembly on your air compressor consists of the manifold, the regulator, a tank pressure gauge, a regulated pressure gauge, and 2 quick connect fittings. The regulator manifold assembly is most commonly used when the manifold itself is damaged, such as air leaking from a crack caused by something falling on it. The regulator can be rebuilt if it is worn, but if the stem or any of the other major components are broken, you will need to install a new regulator manifold assembly as well. Replacing the regulator manifold assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Before I start any disassembly of the tank or the pump components, I'll want to go ahead and drain any air out of the tank that might still be in it. I'll begin by removing the top cover from the compressor. Now remove the manifold from the top cover. I'll remove the old regulator manifold assembly by cutting the crimp clamp. With the clamp removed, now I can go ahead and pull the hose away from the manifold. Now I can install the new manifold assembly. First, I'll slide a new crimp clamp over the hose. Now I'll reinstall the manifold onto the hose. Slide the crimp clamp up to the end of the hose, and I'll secure it using a pair of flush cut end nippers. Now I can reinstall the cover. I'll align the manifold with the cover and secure it with the screws. And I'll secure the cover back to the air compressor with the screws. I like to install all the screws loosely to start with, and then I'll tighten them up.